Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus and today I will show you how to set up a free VPN in the cloud using OpenVPN and AWS. So first of all, you will need an AWS account. Once you have that set up, go to the console and look for EC2. If you can't find it, just search for it. Select Launch Instance and then give it a name. Then press on Browse More AMIs. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. These are pre-configured machines that you can run in AWS. Select AWS Marketplace and look for an image called OpenVPN Access. As you can see, it's just right there for me. If it's not there for you, just search for it. If you type OpenVPN into the search bar, it should be the first result. Select this image and then you will be able to see more details about it. As far as I know, there are two costs to run an OpenVPN. First is the hosting cost. This is the price you would pay for the EC2 Instance hosting. However, I will be using free tier eligible instance. The second cost is the license for OpenVPN. However, it's free up to 2 devices. Make sure that you select a free tier eligible instance. This is usually the T2 Micro. Then press subscribe on instance and launch. So for some reason, even though I selected the free tier instance, I had to reselect it again in this page. Then generate a new RSA key pair. Leave everything as default, only give it a name. This can be used to SSH into your EC2 instance. In the network settings, you should also allow HTTP traffic. This will be needed to access the OpenVPN Server admin page. And finally, click on Launch Instance. So this could take a few minutes, so you should probably take a break. Once this is done, if the image is successfully deployed, you will see something similar to this. Then go to Instances and find the EC2 instance that you just created. Press connect, leave everything as default and press connect again. This will open a web console that is connected to your EC2 instance via SSH. Then you will be asked to go through the initial OpenVPN setup. For most part, leave everything as default by pressing enter. Only change the password to something that you can remember. Once this is done, you should see 2 URLs at the bottom, one for the admin page and the other for the client. Go to the admin page, press advanced, then log in. The username is OpenVPN and the password is whatever you set in the initial setup. Once you log in, agree to the terms of use. Then go to VPN settings. In the routing section, there should be an option called "Should client internet traffic be routed through VPN?" Select this as yes, and then scroll to the bottom of the page to save this. Now the admin side configuration is done. You can go to the client side and log in. The credentials will be the same as the admin side. Now that you're logged into the client side, download OpenVPN Client for your device and try it out. So this is me just downloading and installing the client for my MacBook. When this is done, you will need to re-enter the OpenVPN password, and that's it. If you check your public IP, you will notice that it is now the same as the EC2 instance. Because I hosted my EC2 instance in the US, now I've got an US IP address. Let me know if this was helpful in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.